Hi everyone, in this video we're going through the second portion of property in set 4, right? So I give you the same example, 3 red balls, 1 green ball and 2 blue balls, right? And you have to draw 2 balls, but only this time we're going to draw it in a fashion of without replacement. Without replacement. Meaning to say that, once again, you can think of it as a set of instructions. Step 1, you take out 1 ball. Take out 1 ball. And after that, without replacing the ball you take out another ball. Take out another ball. And we're going to run through the same exact set of questions as well. And we'll see how this will impact our probability. Right, so let's start with a basic example where we intend to draw 2 red balls. Probability of 2 red balls. So we understand this as probability of 2 red balls. And keep in mind over here, when we talk about red and red, there's a conjunction where we say red and then red. And what is n all about? It's about times. So when you see the n, you always think about times. Here the difference is that the probability of the first red ball and the probability of the second red ball will be different. So for example, in our first red ball, we take 3 red balls out of 6. And for the second red ball, you have 1 lesser red ball, so we 2 red balls, and the total will also decrease by 1, which is 5 red balls. Right, so over here we have 1 less, and for the numerator we also have 1 less because the total number of balls decrease. So this is something to take note of, and type in the calculator, it will get you 1 out of 5. Next example, we're going to go through the probability of us getting 1 red ball, and 1 green ball. So we can write this as P, 1 red, 1 G. And we don't jump in straight away to write RG because we need to consider different cases. In this particular example, there will be an instance when you get red and then green, or green and then red. Same thing here. Between this R and G, red and green, it's the conjunction, which is just N. Excuse me. And same thing here, this is the conjunction where there's N, and this is OR. What does N mean? It means it's times, and OR means plus. So over here, our working will be to get the first red ball will be 3 out of 6. And we know in the back there are 1 green ball, so it will be 1 out of 5. It is 1 out of 5 because the total of balls decreased by 1 after you take out 1 red ball. And all is plus, you just put plus here. So same thing, it will be 1 green ball out of 6 balls altogether. And there are 3 red balls out of 5 in total because you have taken out 1 green ball for the second combination. You type in the calculator and you'll get, just happens you also get 1 out of 5. Right. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.